Wow.
Without getting caught.
Did he go to jail?
Pretty funny, Maya.
Okay. Oh boy.
Juan, was that host tomorrow or Friday?
What's that?
The power steering host.
No, advance that tomorrow morning.
Advance it tomorrow morning.
Happened while I was at that they caught a guy in one of the New Yorks.
Selling fake stickers?
Bro, no. So they had one of New York. They have their inspection stations. The guy, they would like close out and everything. He would go home for a couple hours, come back, open up the store, and work through the night illegally, fucking selling stickers and doing inspections for stolen cars and like.
Really?
Dude,
That's crazy.
he pulled that off for a year.
Wow.
Without getting caught.
Did he go to jail?
Yeah.
How long did he go to jail for?
I think it was like 2 years.
It might have been worth it.
Yeah, I know.
It may have been worth it.
I know.
Like if you go on the marketplace, every other ad is temporary license plates, inspection stickers, like yeah.
That's just like straight
And
out.
if like I don't know, but I pay attention and I know that no used car dealership in this area is gonna finance you a 1992 Honda Civic, right?
That's not
And seeing a 92 Honda Civic with paper plates is fishy to me.
That's
You know,
impossible.
like as a cop, I mean, what are you doing? Like you're automatically sticking out because you've got a fake plate. Like
No bank would finance that. Anything older than 14 years of age is gone, finance-wise.
Yeah, I don't want it.
no, I said it smells like sriracha.
You want hot sauce? It's hot sauce. He said he can't get them all out. He said some of them are warped.
Body itself is cracked.
Well, yeah, he cracked it when he was trying to take out one of the bolts. Tell him we could try to take out the old ones, but they've been there for a long time, and I'm concerned that they won't come out.
No, yeah, I'll tell him. Truthfully, extracting them is gonna cost him more money than just replacing the whole unit.
Probably.
If you go about it that way, it'll be.
Yeah, so call him and ask him, and if he says fine, just order them. Okay, please?
I'll call him in a few minutes.
Thank you. We're gonna go pick up the Aston. Hopefully, with no dashboard lights. We'll see.
It is an event every time you get into the Aston Martin drive. Beautiful car. I should really like this car. Anyway, come on.
Aston Martin. Morning. Morning.
Let's take I-80 East Parsippany Troy Hills and State Route 24 East Madison.
That big V12 in that car makes that car boogie, man, I gotta tell you. Of course, there's the whole James Bond thing. Let's hope the Db9 is fixed. 100%. I'm trying to figure out what's up with that car. I don't know why they make the electronics so proprietary. That normal scan tools or even dealer level scan tools like we have don't work properly. I don't know why they do shit like that. I mean, I do know why they do stuff like that. So they can charge you $250 an hour to do the work, and no one else can do it. Here we are at Aston Martin. Oh, the parking lot's pretty empty. Back to the shop. Db9. Isn't she pretty?
in one picture how this place runs. You want to see that picture? That's the equivalent of us. Ready for the fun part?
Where's the package now?
In Woodbridge. It started in Monroe, then went to Woodbridge. Then it left. Then it left.
Oh, you're on candid camera too.
I am, yes.
B-roll.
A-roll?
Oh,
It's
you
a star.
fancy.
It's the face of a star.
You are pretty.
Okay, so we gotta figure out when we're getting our makeup department.
Yeah, right.
All right, so here we got a nice 2018 GTI that he's looking for a clutch upgrade in. So we are in the midst of pulling the transmission. We're almost there, a couple more nuts and bolts and we'll have her out, and then putting a nice brand new clutch in there for him, get it all back together to be a happy customer.
When you're reading ethanol percentage, you're typically reading for flex fuel, like for performance.
Okay. I mean, it's supposed to be up to 10%. Not what we were looking for.
Good morning, YouTube. How are we today? We are gonna do some work on a BMW E83 X3 today. We're gonna swap out the suspension. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Putting a set of Koni, they used to be called FSDs. They're now called active dampers, and a set of H&R lowering springs. Should be pretty cool. But first, like always, gotta do a little bit of work. I looked at them before a little bit before starting up, so I think we're in good shape. All right, time to go out to the shop. E83 X3, we're gonna give her some nice fresh suspension shortly. All right, so here we are in the back of the car. Gonna show you some sexy new parts. Check this out. We've got Koni active dampers. We've got H&R sport springs, little Lemforder strut mount action over there, bump stops, and some hardware. We've got to take this lovely entire rear interior off to get access to the dampers tops, which live right about there. So we're going to take this piece off, we're going to pull all of this hardware off, and then finally have access to the dampers. Gotta love pulling hardware off. Trick is to find where it goes when you're done. There's a screw in the front here, and there's a screw, I believe, right here. 10 mil. Torx bit here. Yep, there it is. That's the right one. I need a 1/4 inch though. Let's get this puppy out, shall we? You know, working on cars can be lots of fun. It can also be a little aggravating at times, you know? Like modern cars, they put screws in challenging places. I think part of that, weight savings maybe? Part of it, maybe they don't want people to wrench on their cars anymore. Doesn't that suck? All right, these are two T25s that are coming out. Let's pull this guy out. There we go. Stop throwing stuff, shall we? These are just the push pins. So now, let's pull out this piece here. All right, guys, so we've got this piece loose. That's all we need to do. Let me show you. Come on in a little closer. This is where the top of the damper lands. So we just peeled this sound insulation back a little bit, and you can see there are 1, 2, and 3 13mm nuts that hold the top of the damper. So we're almost there on this side. We are about to go up so we can swap the spring and take off the damper from underneath. Pull these puppies off. stock spring. Ooh, check that out. Crispy. So, lower nut over here for the damper. Let's see if I drop this, if I have enough room to pull out stock spring. Put this guy down. Look how rusted to snot that damper is. All right, I'll put the spring in.